welcome to Bike Zone, your ultimate destination for everything motorcycles. In today's video, we're into one of the most highly anticipated releases of 2025, the Harley Davidson Fat Bob. With its aggressive styling, powerhouse engine, and signature Harley Davidson craftsmanship, the Fat Bob is setting the bar higher than ever for cruiser enthusiasts. So, if you're a fan of custom bikes, rugged design, and superior performance, stay tuned as we break down what makes the 2025 Fat Bob a standout in Harley Davidson's lineup. Design and aesthetics. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 Fat Bob, you'll notice immediately how the design has evolved. Harley Davidson has always been known for its classic and bold style, and the Fat Bob takes that heritage to a new level with sharper, more aggressive lines and a sleek, muscular stance. The bike retains its iconic fat look, but with some modern twists that make it more imposing on the road. The front end is where you'll see the biggest design change, with a new, larger, and more striking headlamp. This bike keeps the aggressive, wide front forks and a beefy front wheel that makes it look like it means business. The rear has also been reworked, featuring a more refined and sporty look that complements the muscular front section. Engine and performance. The powertrain is the heart and soul of any motorcycle, and Harley Davidson has ensured that the 2025 Fat Bob continues its tradition of delivering raw, unfiltered power. The heart of the Fat Bob is the Milwaukee 8114 engine. This powerhouse delivers 114 cubic inches, 1868 cc of torque and power, which makes for a thrilling ride whether you're cruising through city streets or powering down the open highway. What's even more impressive is that this engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, giving riders a smooth shifting experience and optimal control at all speeds. Harley Davidson has made sure that the power is not only robust but also accessible, making the Fat Bob an excellent choice for both seasoned riders and those looking to level up their riding game. The engine is not just about brute strength. Harley Davidson's engineers have ensured the Milwaukee 8114 is designed with a focus on smoothness, efficiency, and durability, making long rides more enjoyable. The combination of this engine with the Fat Bob's low and wide frame creates a cruiser that feels responsive and easy to handle, even at higher speeds. Technology and features. The 2025 Fat Bob is packed with modern technology that ensures a better, safer, and more enjoyable riding experience. Harley Davidson has incorporated several high-tech features to meet the demands of today's riders. First, the bike comes equipped with a new digital display that houses a variety of features, including ride modes, speed, trip information, and fuel levels. The display is clean, easy to read, and seamlessly integrated into the overall design of the bike. Whether you're navigating through traffic or cruising down an open road, this display keeps you informed without being distracting. For safety, the 2025 Fat Bob comes with standard ABS anti-lock braking system, making it safer for riders in various road conditions. The braking system ensures that you maintain full control over the bike, even in slippery or uneven terrain. Additionally, Harley Davidson has integrated a new traction control system that adjusts to different conditions, giving riders extra confidence when the weather or road conditions aren't ideal. The bike also features an updated cruise control system, making long-distance rides more comfortable. With a flick of a switch, you can maintain a constant speed, reducing rider fatigue over long stretches. Chassis and handling. One of the standout features of the 2025 Harley Davidson Fat Bob is its advanced chassis and suspension system. The Fat Bob is built on Harley Davidson's Softail platform, which means it has a solid, yet lightweight frame designed to enhance stability and handling. The Softail platform ensures that the bike remains comfortable even on long rides, with a responsive suspension system that smooths out bumps and rough terrain. The front suspension features a 49mm dual bending valve fork that provides improved performance and better comfort on the road. This setup offers more precise handling, allowing riders to confidently navigate through turns, curves, and city streets. The rear suspension has also been enhanced, with a fully adjustable shock that allows for a custom-tailored riding experience based on weight, riding style, and road conditions. When it comes to the tires, the Fat Bob 2025 continues to rely on the massive 16-inch front wheel paired with a 16-inch rear, ensuring excellent traction and a unique riding stance. These tires give the bike a more aggressive look and a planted feel on the road, enhancing both stability and control. The legacy of the Harley Davidson Fat Bob. The Harley Davidson Fat Bob has always been a bike that blends the iconic Harley spirit with a modern edge. First introduced in 2008, the Fat Bob has undergone multiple changes over the years, with each version becoming more refined and unique. But what does the 2025 model bring to the table? The 2025 Harley Davidson Fat Bob continues its legacy of bold design with even more emphasis on performance and technology. It's not just about looking tough, it's about being tough, with a machine that can handle the streets and highways with ease. Harley Davidson has consistently delivered on its promise of creating powerful, beautiful motorcycles, and the Fat Bob 2025 is no different. Customization options. Harley Davidson is known for offering an almost endless array of customization options, and the 2025 Fat Bob is no exception. Whether you're looking to modify your bike's appearance or improve its performance, the aftermarket parts and accessories available for the Fat Bob allow you to make this bike truly your own. From custom seats and handlebars to upgraded exhausts and foot controls, the range of parts available ensures that no two Fat Bobs need to be the same. This is where Harley's culture of individuality truly shines. Riders can build a bike that suits their needs, style, and personality. Price and availability. As for the price, the 2025 Harley Davidson Fat Bob is expected to be priced in the range of $19,000 to $21,000, depending on customization and market. While it is certainly a premium motorcycle, the Fat Bob offers excellent value for those seeking a combination of style, performance, and technology. Is it worth the investment? Absolutely, if you're looking for a bike that brings together iconic Harley Davidson features with modern performance upgrades. The Fat Bob's combination of power, handling, and aesthetic appeal makes it one of the best choices for riders who appreciate both function and form. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson Fat Bob is a motorcycle that is designed to stand out. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the Harley family, this bike offers an exciting blend of power, design, and technology that is sure to impress. From the powerful Milwaukee 8 engine to its aggressive stance and modern features, the 2025 Fat Bob is a true testament to Harley Davidson's legacy of crafting bikes that combine timeless style with cutting-edge innovation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to BikeZone for more motorcycle reviews, news, and updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.